Hey, everybody, welcome back. And before we get started, you'll need to grab a paper and a pencil. So if you want to pause the video and get those things, do that now, then click back on and we'll continue. Okay, in this video, we are going to make some pictures of our keywords to help us remember our new sound. So we are going to make a picture of a flower to remember OW together can say ow, like in the middle of flower. And then we're going to make some clouds to remember OU together can say ow, like in the middle of cloud. Okay? Well, we'll get started with that. And I'm just going to make some ground or some grass here. Okay? And you can do the same. And we're going to start with our flower. So I'm going to put a stem. And then I'm going to put some roots down in the ground. Okay? So if you think of the parts of a plant, and a flower is a plant. Anything that grows from a seed is a plant. Those roots suck up the water and nutrients from the soil, and then that stem carries it all, or then they work their way up through the stem. And from the stem, okay, that water and those nutrients travel to the different parts of the plant. Okay, so one part would be the leaf. So I'm going to make some different leaves, just like so, and you can kind of draw these little circles with me. And we'll just kind of give it some balance. We'll put two on each side. And the leaves are very important because with their green color, they capture the sunlight and make food for the plant. So we have the roots, the stem, the leaves, and now we're going to put the big bloom, the flower part, on top. Alrighty? So I'm going to just curve up, and then I'm going to go down, up, and then kind of close it down on bottom. Okay? So it's kind of like a tulip bloom. Okay? Now, that bloom or that flower is very important because I'm going to color mine in red, or just kind of shade it in red. And you can do the same if you have a red crayon handy, because a lot of blooms are red. And they are bright colors because they attract insects like bees and butterflies. And that bee and that butterfly wants to get that sweet nectar inside the flower. And as it does that, it gets some seeds on its feet. The flower part has the seeds. And then as the bees and the butterflies travel from plant to plant, they spread those seeds around. Okay? And that's how we get more and more flowers. Okay? Alrighty. So that's a little science lesson about flowers. Okay? Along with it being our new keyword for OWL. So you can add some more detail to it later, but for now, let's go ahead and write that keyword next to it. FLOWER. Flower. Okay? And I'm going to try to make my R a little bit better. Okay? That's a little bit better. Okay? And we're going to box in the OW. Okay? And we have made a flower to help us remember OW together can say ow, like in the middle of flower. Okay? And again, this does not have to be perfect. Certainly mine is not. The idea here is not how well you can draw it, but for you to remember the keyword for our new sound, OWL, like in flower. Okay? Alrighty, now let's do something that's going to be easier to draw. Let's move up above and let's do some clouds. Okay, and we'll just make them light and fluffy. Okay, and we might give just a hint of some wind blowing through. This is just going to be a nice sunny day. Okay, now let's write our keyword CLOUD, and then box in that OU. Okay? Because we made clouds. So remember, OU together can say ow, like in the middle of cloud. So that easily we have our keywords for our new sound. Okay? Alrighty. Now, if you remember from our last video, OU and OW are diphthongs. Even though we have two vowels side by side, they are not vowel teams where we have a long vowel sound with the first vowel saying its name. Okay? These two vowels side by side are special diphthongs. Okay? Where the two vowels join together to make one new special sound. Okay? Two vowels, but one sound together. Okay? And the special sound of OU and OW is ow. Okay? So OW can say ow, like in the middle of flower, and OU can say ow, like in the middle of cloud. So OU and OW can both say ow. And we also said you could remember it like you're getting pinched. What sound do you make when you get pinched? You go ow, 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 ow. Okay? So this set of diphthongs is going to be our focus this week. And again, with a diphthong, the two vowels join together to make one new special sound. Okay? Two vowels, but one sound together. Okay? And OU and OW can both say ow, like in cloud or flower, and like getting pinched. Okay? All right. And our next video will work a little bit more with OU and OW.